Being a professional racing driver means a lot of hours on the road traveling to competitions. So I need to make sure I have parts that are efficient, reliable, and make sure I get to the races. SACHS HCV clutches and clutch parts are manufactured using premium materials and are particularly durable, which is exactly what you need. SACHS provides a lot of clutch parts for original equipment manufacturers, which means you know it has been tested to the highest possible standards. They give the best possible transmission of power from the engine to the road, which gets the best performance out of my truck. The fact that it sold over 170 million SACHS clutches, truck clutch kits, and truck clutch plates makes SACHS the leader and specialist in the HCV segment. Whenever you're on the track or driving to the track, SACHS has the perfect clutch for your vehicle. See you out there.